Under the direction of California's Department of Water Resources, DWR, the Delta Conveyance Design and Construction Authority's purpose is to design, develop, and, if DWR determines to approve it, construct the proposed Delta Conveyance Program, an infrastructure project to support the resiliency of California's fresh water supply via a proposed single-tunnel solution. The Delta Conveyance Design and Construction Authority, DCA, conducts engineering and design work to inform DWR's environmental review and planning process of a proposed Delta Conveyance project. DWR asked the DCA to consider ways to avoid or reduce effects of the proposed project on local communities during the conceptual design process. In October 2019, the DCA Board of Directors established a Stakeholder Engagement Committee, SEC, to obtain community input toward that goal. The SEC provides feedback to DCA staff on engineering and design considerations. The SEC is comprised of 20 public members, including ex officio members representing government agencies. A DCA Board of Directors member is selected to serve as the committee chairperson. There is also a vice chairperson of the SEC who can be an alternate on the DCA Board of Directors. The SEC is a formal advisory body to the DCA Board of Directors. The SEC is subject to the public transparency laws applicable to local public agencies like the Brown Act and the Public Records Act. The work of the SEC is outside of DWR's environmental review process and CEQA. It's important to note that participation in this SEC does not in any way indicate support by its members of any Delta conveyance system. The SEC meetings with DCA staff are open to the public. SEC members receive information from DCA engineers about technical and engineering topics such as conveyance system components, conceptual plans, and the criteria used to select locations for the proposed Delta Conveyance project's construction and operation. SEC members also provide input to DCA engineers that can be utilized to potentially reduce, mitigate, or avoid potential effects of the proposed Delta Conveyance project. All SEC meeting materials can be found on the DCA website, including meeting agendas, meeting presentations, videos, and a list of SEC member questions and answers. DCA staff supports SEC member efforts to serve as information liaisons to their respective communities and stakeholder groups by providing printed and digital materials and offering small group presentations as requested by SEC members. The DCA formed the SEC to provide input and discussion during the conceptual design and planning stage of the proposed project. DCA has completed that work and submitted preliminary conceptual designs to DWR for environmental analysis as required by the California Environmental Quality Act, or CEQA. Once the environmental analysis is released to the public in the Draft Environmental Impact Report, EIR, DWR will be providing a robust outreach effort. The DCA will continue to provide information on the project design and is available to local communities who are interested in learning more about the proposed project. For more information, see the links in the video description. Follow us on social media and visit the website at dcdca.org.